Hello children, nursery class. Today I'll teach you math. आज हम मैथ पढ़ेंगे. So first start with back counting. Start with back counting. Now already we have to learn 1 to 100 forward counting. But today start back counting. Forward counting means plus, means after 1, 2, after 3, after counting. But back counting is before counting. Like back counting. Okay. Here, look here. Back counting 10 to 1. First we start 10 to 1 back counting. Like I have 10 fingers. 10 finger in your hand now. So start with 10 numbers. 10 less 1, less 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So it's a back counting. ऊपर से नीचे कैसे 10, 9, 8. देखिए one finger is less. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 finger. Last 1 finger. Look here. जैसे हम स्टेयर चढ़ते हैं ना, सीढ़ी से चढ़ते हैं ऊपर जाने के लिए, तो ऊपर जाने के लिए हमें फॉरवर्ड होना पड़ता है. लाइक 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. बट जब हम ऊपर टॉप द फ्लोर पे पहुंच जाएंगे और हमें नीचे आना हुआ तो हमें बैक वापस होना है ना, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड लाइक दिस. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear? Look here. 1. Okay. Here we draw 10th ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2. At the last 1. So look here. This is falling down like this. Clear? So 10 less 1 9, less 1 8, less 7, less 1 6, less 1 5, less 1 4, less 1 3, less 1 2, less 1 1. So today you have to learn 10 to 1 counting. 10 to 1 counting like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. अब देखिए, पहले हम ऊपर जाने के लिए फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग कर रहे थे, अब हम बैक काउंटिंग करेंगे. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? After that, start with chapter 21 page, lesson 11, 1 to 1. 1, 2, 1. It's calling equal. 1 to 1 means equal, equality. Means, look here, look at your book. Look. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 birds sitting on the tree, sitting on the branch. देखिए 4 birds बैठी है ना, and each bird have one nest. This and this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each birds have own nest. उसका अपना nest है. So it is equal. 4 birds, 4 nests. Here, take the pictures that is same as the one in the first box. Like one, 2, 3. Here is, look here. 1, 2, 3. 3 mark, 3 cup. Here we find is same. Here 2 box. Here 1, 2, 3. Is this right? 3 here and 3 here. Now here some puppies. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 puppies. Here 1. Here 2, here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is right. That equality, एक जैसे. Here be 4 and there be 4. Clear? 3 marks, 3 marks. It is called equality. Like I have 2 pens. 2 pen. Ram has 1 pen. Riya has 2 pen. So this is a pen, but Shyam has 2 pen, Ram has 1 pen, Riya has 2 pen. So Ram and Riya has equal pen, 1 to 1 pen, equal. Okay, एक जैसे 2 pen Shyam है and 2 pen Riya है. It's like equal. This is a sign of equal. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Equal. Okay? And after that, page number 21. More and less. M-O-R, more. A-N-D, and. L-E-S-S, less. More and less. More means ज़्यादा. More means ज़्यादा. more quantity, ज़्यादा. Less means कम. Less means कम quantity. So more means ज़्यादा, less means कम. Like so count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So which number is more and which side has more? 2 is lesser than 4. 4 is bigger than 2. 4 is more than 2. 2 is lesser than 4. Like 4 is a more number. 2 is less. थोड़ा काउंट करेंगे ना. 4 ball and 2 ball. If your sister have 2 ball and you have 4 ball, so you are happy and your sister is upset and she is crying. Tell to mama, mama, I have only 2 ball. Bhaiya has 4 ball. Bhaiya have more ball compare of me. So it is the compare of more and less. Like here 3, here 2, 3, 4. So which side have more mangoes? This side or this side? L for less, M for more. So here 1, 2, 3, only 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 is less than 5 and 5 is more than 3. So 5 is more and 3 is less. Okay, clear? Now look here. Here write M for more, L for less. M for more, L for less. Here draw here object. You have to find out which one is more and which one is lesser. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4 boys. Here 2 boys. So 4 is more than 2. Here L, here more. Then here how many bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bananas. Oh my God. Here is 5 and here 10. So 10 is more than 5. Here L. Clear? Okay. So more and less and 1 is 1 to 1. So after that I teach you greater, lesser and equal. It's depend on 1 to 1, more and less. Like greater, lesser, equal. Okay, greater, more, lesser, less, equal, 1 to 1. Clear? So first start with the greater, lesser and equal. Today one story for you related to greater, lesser and equal. Once upon a time, a crocodile lived in a water. A big crocodile. Okay, big crocodile. So in that pond, more fishes live in the water. Crocodile and fishes. So crocodile is a very big animal. He is very arrogant. बहुत गुस्सा आता था उसको. So वो फिश को पकड़ के खा जाता था. Then one day a monkey has come and asked him, crocodile uncle. He said, yes monkey. Monkey has asked, why are you eating more fishes? Crocodile said, I love more number. He said, I love more number. I don't like less number. I don't like less number. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, थोड़ा मुझे नहीं पसंद है. I don't like. So crocodile tell, I love to eat more number, but I don't like less number. Okay, that is why you are eating more number, more object, more fishes. Yes, I love more number and I don't like less number. Okay, that thought is applied for greater, lesser and equal. How? कैसे? देखिए, here some fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 fishes. Now tell me कि which side has to go crocodile. कौन सी साइड crocodile जाएगा और कौन सी फिशेस खाएगा? More fishes or less fishes? 1, 2, 3, 4 fishes or 2 fishes? Just because he loves more number of quantity. So crocodile, our mouth is open to more fishes. It's the sign of greater. This is the sign of greater. Clear? Now here apples. Here are 1, 2, 3. 3 apples here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples here. So lesser. How to find lesser? Crocodile said, "Na, I don't like lesser number. I like to greater number." So this is the sign of lesser number. Open to mouth is greater number and back side. Back side इसने अपना back lesser number की तरफ कर दिया. Clear? Lesser number like this. He is eating big number and open the mouth side, big number like this, and back side is lesser number like this. And here I have 3 balls. Here also I have 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now that time what he did? अब क्या करेगा वो? He said, I just leave it. I'm not eating equal number. I just leave it. Like leave it. Equal. This is the sign of equal. Clear? So crocodile said, I am eating big number and my back side is less number and I am not eating equal number. So equal means like this. Clear? Now some more exercise, like here is 13, 3, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 8, 10, 20. Greater, lesser, equal. Okay. So 1, 3, 13, here 3. 3 is bigger than 13. 3 is bigger than 13? No. 13 is bigger than 3. 13 is more than 3. So crocodile eating 13 number. Mouth is open for 13 number. And 4 and 6. 4 is a less number of 6. 6 is a more number. So crocodile back is 4 number and open the mouth is 6 number. 5 and 5. Same number. Equal number. Here we sign it equal. 6 and 8. 6 is a lesser number. 8 is a more number. So 8 is a greater than 6. Crocodile eating 8 number. 1, 0, 10, 2, 0, 20. So 20 is a greater number, na? More number. So crocodile eating 20 number. Clear? So nursery class, we have to learn back counting 10 to 1, greater less or equal, 1 to 1 and more and less. And side by side you have to revise your previous work also. Okay? In half yearly, I will give you first unit test course also. So you have to revise, prepare. Okay? Forward counting 1 to 100, back counting 10 to 1 also. Okay children? Thank you children. Bye bye.